Now, today, morning session, evening session, morning session, afternoon session, I did not perform my drills. So now I night session before taking my dinner. The time is 9:30 p.m. now. I am going to perform each drill first. Each drill 100. So in in a beach resort, Mahabalipuram, Chennai, I am going to perform these drills now. So the reason why I make this video here in this beach resort is to show that to tell that there is a one big practical advantage of these two drills. That is, these drills can be performed anywhere, wherever we go. Like this, if we come to a, we go to a tour like this, we can perform the drills without missing the session. And there is one more reason why I perform each drill 100 now is to prove the safety of the drills. These drills are 100% safe and 100% effective in losing the central obesity. As I have already told, central obesity is the target, the aim of performing these drills should be the abdominal girth at umbilicus should be less than half of our own height. That means if height of a person is 160 centimeters, the girth at umbilicus should be half of 160. That means should be less than 80 centimeters. And the BMI should be maintained less than 22.9. These two targets can be achieved easily by practicing these two drills 2 drills regularly. Now I am going to start performing the first drill, modified jackknife. These two drills are so much effective and so much safe for our spine that my resume is there in Ambani House also. So, if they call us, I am going to teach Mr. Anant Ambani these two drills only, because these two drills are 100% safe and 100% effective in losing all the extra weight. Okay? Now I am going to perform the first drill. First drill, modified jackknife. Get up, touch the toes and lie down. 20. First drill 20 completed. Get up, touch the toes and lie down. The legs should not fall down. Legs should be maintained at 30 degrees from the floor while touching the toes. So just 2 towels are necessary. 2 towels are spread over each other, on each other and over the. We can perform these drills. Thirty. Forty. 50. 'Come sit here, sit here. Sixty. 50. ఆ, ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేస్తా. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ இங்க నేను இங்கே ட்ரில்ஸ் பண்ணுறேன். కొంచెం వచ్చి సైన్ చేస్తావా?
నాకు సైన్ చేయడం తెలీదు.
నీ పేరు రాయి మన్విత్ అని.
నాకు తెలీదు. సరే
పేరు నీ పేరు రాయి.
నా పేరు
మన్విత్ రాయి నీలే.
ఏది
మన్విత్
ఎక్కడ
ఇక్కడ నిలబడచ్చు కదా నువ్వు. వచ్చి ఇక్కడ నిలబడి అదో థ్యాంక్స్ బ్రో. గుడ్ నైట్. సాப்பிட்டாச்சா?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ
నాలని కూడా
ಸರಿ
2 days 80. Food has come.
టీవీ
కొంచెం
అవి సార్
అదే పడతాయి హెచ్చి జాగ్రత్త. మమ్మీ వస్తుంది 90. నేను స్టాప్ చేస్తాను. ఇది ఫస్ట్ డ్రిల్ అయిపోతే స్టాప్ చేస్తా. ఓకే $100. Okay. Yeah. So first drill modified jackknife 100 I have completed, and as the food is ready and our kids are hungry and they have to eat on this table only. I stop here. I cannot perform the second drill. See the abdominal girth at umbilicus should be less than half of our own height. If you are able to maintain that criteria, you feel that you are also a James Bond. Okay, thank you.